Okay, so the next thing I have to do is figure out where to put the lag bolt. And you see how far that is? If I put a lag bolt in just that triangular piece, it's gonna split it in half and stuff, because this part, this fascia board part, is away. It's away by a good 3/8. Well, I can suck that in tight. That's going to suck the top of that little triangular piece in tighter. See where it doesn't look like it's been painted? That's because that's how far that was pushed out away from the stucco. That's how far it used to go in there. So see if I can get that top, the bottom of that fascia board bolted down, and probably about where that nail is. See where that nail, those two nails are? I'll have to go in there somewhere and make sure I'm hitting wood and drill with a paddle bit and a regular bit after that, and put my lag bolt in there. And I wasn't sure if the 3.5 inch lag bolt's going to be enough. If not, I can put the 4-inch in there, but I think the 3.5 is going to work fine, and then I may have to put a 4-inch out here about right up in there below the crack. See, that's cracked off towards the top of that triangular piece, and right about in the middle. See where that nail is? Right there. There's a split all the way across there, and so that bottom part I'm going to have to bolt in there gingerly, and that'll make that split right there bigger, and I can always caulk that, right? And then tap those nails in. I'll have to do some finagling for sure when I get ready for that. Okay, so now I've got to figure out where that lag bolt goes, and drill me a hole there with my paddle bit, 5/8 paddle bit probably, and get ready to get my lag bolt in there. Here, this is what I wanted to show you. See? A little socket like that. It's got the end on it. And got different sizes here. And here's the head to the 1/4 inch. And see, it fits right on there. And if I had a regular drill, I wouldn't be able to drill that all the way in, but because I've got the ratcheted one, the ratcheted drill, when you get it on there, it goes da 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 da. See, I can pull that off. See, it just has the end that fits right in there, and lift that up like that. Oh wait, hey, it's not clicking. It's not. Isn't that funny? It's not clicking, but I think I could still use it and just put it in there. Cause see, oh, that's why. See the shank on it doesn't have that little goodie like this. Okay. Like a regular drill bit will have with this type of end, and then you just lift that. See, if I put it in like that, it'll slip right out, see? But if I push on it and then it goes in, catches on that. See? But that's okay. I could use this. I could use this right there. You put it in like that, and I could ratchet those bolts right in there after I pre-drill a hole. And then I may not have to use my my little set, and I might be able to I could even take those back to the store. And you know, I only use a ratchet set like if I'm installing a TV to a wall mount TV with the brackets and stuff. Then I get my ratchet set out. But you know what? I don't need that if I just use these, right? That'll save me $40, and I can take that back. I can take that other thing back to the store. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use these and try this first, and I think it's gonna work. Oh, that's kind of a cool little set too. Let's just take another look at that. See, this happens to be from Stanley, and I can push that to the side right there like that, or like however I want. Looks, and I could crank on that and use that as a ratchet too, probably. See, comes with all the different ends. That's kind of a nice little set. Comes with all kinds of little goodies. Stanley 40-piece ratcheting pistol grip screwdriver set, and it comes with all your good things. See, here's the thing I'm going to use, and see, it goes even goes up bigger, and then it's got these. It's got these. Look at all the drill bit tips you got, the screw tips, and wow, look how small some of these are. That's kind of nice, I think. And see, I had that set. We had that set here, and so I think I can use that to put these lag bolts in. No problem. Sorry, Mr. Husky, you're out of luck.